Running into the connect error social login failure in EA Sports FC 26? You are not alone and you are in the right place. Let's walk through some quick fixes to get you logged in and back on the pitch. Hey everyone, welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Today we are tackling a frustrating login error in FC 26 that keeps players from getting into the game. Let's fix it together. Method 1. Check your EA account ID. When you get connect error social login failure error, this means your Steam account is linked to an already existing EA account. So verify if you are using the correct EA account. To verify this, you can log into myaccount.ea.com and check the basic information. Here, you should see EA ID. You can check your email account and password. You can also launch the EA app, then click on the hamburger menu. Head to Settings, then select My Account. Then under My Profile, select Manage. A browser window should open with your account settings on ea.com. From the About Me tab, and here you should see the preview of your EA account credentials. If the login information seems incorrect, try to log in with the correct email ID and password and then see if this can fix the error. Method 2. Launch the game from Steam or Epic Games. You can also try launching FC from Steam or Epic Games where you are getting error from the EA app. If this does not fix the problem, then go to the next solutions. Method 3. Repair, update or reinstall anti-cheat. The next thing you can do is repair, update or reinstall anti-cheat. To do this, go to the installation location for FC 26. Open the folder and then open the installer folder. Locate the EA anti-cheat folder and open it. Double-click on the EA anti-cheat installer. Now select the game, click on the repair option, then click on OK. Next, go to the game installation location and select the folder. Then click on Select Folder option. This will repair the anti-cheat. Next, click on Update so that you can make sure everything is up to date. You can also select the Uninstall option to uninstall the anti-cheat completely. Next, select the game from the drop-down menu and click on Install button to install the anti-cheat. It will also get reinstalled when you try to run the game next time. Method 4. Launch FC 26 from the game installation folder. If you're playing the game on Steam, open Steam Library, right-click on the game and select Manage. Then click on Browse Local Files option. This will take you to the game installation folder. From here, select the game exe file and right-click on it. Select Run as Administrator option, then double-click on the game exe and launch the game. Method 5. Log out and log into your EA account. The next thing you can try is log out of your EA account and then log in again. To do that, click on your profile icon at the top right corner of the EA app homepage. Select Logout option. Then wait for some time and then log in with your account credentials. Launch the game and check now. Method 6. Unlink Steam and EA accounts and then create a new account and link. The next thing you can try is unlink EA and Steam accounts and then create a new account and link that. To do so, go to the Connections tab of your EA account settings. Click the Unlink button next to your Steam account. You will get a code to verify your identity. Enter the code and select Submit. Read the disclaimer and make sure you want to unlink, knowing all the risks above. Check the box for I understand and wish to continue. Click on Unlink. Then create a new EA account and relink it with your Steam account. Then try to play the game and see if this helps. Method 7. Run the game with administrative privileges. Go to the game installation folder, right-click on the game exe and open its properties. Go to the compatibility tab. Check the box for Run this program as an administrator. Click on Apply and then on OK to save the changes. Method 8. Perform EA app recovery. Open the EA app and click on the 3 horizontal line menu. Click on Help, then click on App Recovery. Next, click on the Clear Cache button. Then it should restart the EA app and then try to launch the game. Method 9. Verify the game files. Verifying the game files should fix the problem if there are any missing or corrupted game files. Here we are showing the process how to verify the game files from Steam. You can also verify the game files from Epic Games. Open the Steam library, right-click on the game and expand its properties. Click on Installed Files and select the Verify Integrity of Game Files option. Once the game is verified, launch the game and check. Method 10. Clear the EA app cache. Corrupted cache can create problems and cause these types of errors. So you should also clear the EA app cache and reconfigure it. But before doing it, close the EA app from the Task Manager. To do that, open Task Manager using Windows Search. Go to the Processes tab and look for all the processes related to the EA app. Right-click on each process and select the End Task option. Press Windows + R to launch the Run utility. Type %local app data % in the Run command box and press Enter. Delete the EA desktop and Electronic Arts folder from the local folder. To do that, right-click on the folders, select Show More options, then select Delete. You can also restart the EA app and then launch the game and check if that helps. Method 11. Check your internet connection. When getting social login failure error in FC 26, check if you have a stable internet connection. This is important as you cannot play the game properly without a stable internet connection. You can check the internet speed from speedtest.net, so restart the router or the modem to fix the issue primarily. Turn off the router or modem and disconnect it from the power source. Allow a few minutes before reconnecting everything. Now turn on the router or modem and check if this has fixed the problem. Method 12. Check the EA server status. Sometimes due to server outage, you can get the login failure error. So check the game server status here and see if there is any problem or if the server is under maintenance. If there is any issue on the server side, then wait till the server becomes up and live again. Method 13. Disable firewall. Firewall can sometimes be overprotective and interfere with FC26 and cause issues. So disable firewall for the time being, since it is always recommended not to disable firewalls and antivirus as your system is vulnerable to malicious threats without them. Enable them soon after. Type Windows Defender Firewall in the Windows search box and select the top option. Click on Turn Windows Defender Firewall on or off option. Click on the radio buttons for Turn off Windows Defender Firewall, not recommended options for both private and public network settings. Save the changes by clicking on OK. Method 14. Update the network drivers. Outdated drivers can lead to connectivity issues while playing games. So you can update the network drivers and see if this can fix the issue. To do so, open Device Manager using Windows Search. Head to the Network Adapter section and expand it. Right-click on your network adapter and select the Update Driver option. Choose Search automatically for the drivers option. Follow the on-screen instructions to finish the process. Method 15. Change DNS. If the social login failure error is occurring due to network-related issues, then changing the DNS can fix the error. To change DNS, type Control Panel in the Windows search box and choose the first option. Next, set the View by option to large or small icons. Select Network and Sharing Center. Now select your internet connection next to Connections. Then open its properties, or you can select Change Adapter Settings. Then right-click on your internet connection and select its properties. Search for Internet Protocol version 4, right-click on it and open its properties. Set the preferred DNS server address to 8.8.8.8 and the alternate DNS server address to 8.8.4.4. Click on OK and save the changes. You can also switch to the Cloudflare DNS server. For that, set the preferred DNS server address to 1.1.1.1 and the alternate DNS server address to 1.0.0.1. To save the changes, click on OK. Once done, restart your PC. Once the PC restarts, relaunch the game and see if the issue is fixed. Method 16. Close background applications. You should also close the bandwidth-intensive programs like streaming or downloading while playing games. To do so, right-click on the Windows Start button and select Task Manager. Go to the Processes tab and right-click on the processes you want to close. Select the End Task option. Repeat the same for each task you want to kill, then exit the window. Method 17. Contact EA support for help. If the previous methods couldn't fix the issue, you need to fix the EA Sports FC error, then you can reach out to the EA support for help. You can get in touch with live support through the official EA help site for help. And that's a wrap. Those are the top methods to fix the Connect error social login failure in EA Sports FC 26. If one of these worked for you, give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more tech fixes and how-tos. Drop a comment below to share what worked. It could help someone else out. Thanks for watching and we will see you in the next one.